Sino? Sino?
Ay, no, kapibara.
Mahulog ah.
Ay, may mga pag-o. Kapibara dyan. Anay!
Look at that. What's that?
Natulog kasi ang bubay. Pilboy.
Ano ba yan? Anong tawag niya sa mahabang tuka na yan?
Tingnan mo dun.
Hindi.
Do.
Yan ah.
Ano yan? Yung parang ostrich.
Ostrich nga. Di yan ostrich.
Parang lang yun. Kasi maano yung ano niya.
Peacock.
Duck.
Ayan, peacock. Peacock yan. Peacock yan sa
Mga ano, mahaba.
mahabang ang buntot. Ang cute oh. Ang cute oh. Ang parot. Pangat! Pangat! Kakatu! Kakatu! Meron nagsasalitang ganyan. Ang dami igel. Uy, yun yun. Dami. Daming ibon. Eagle, eagle. Look. Look. It's an eagle.
Ito madami. Ayun, lumipad eh.
Yan. Ay, na dalawa. Lawin man yata yan.
Hindi.
Sleeping. Laki ng ahas. Ayun pa, ang dami nila. Tatlo, apat. Golden python. Crocodile. It's a big crocodile. Hello, crocodile. He's sleeping. Sleeping yung crocodile. Big turtle. It's a big. Hundred of turtles. It's in here. Hundred of turtles. Parang di na makakilos na.
Mama?
Ano sinukat?
Shh.
It's sleeping.
Si Lulong. Lulong. It's not Lulong.
Mama? What is this?
Right. Sleeping lion. A lion. Hello, lion.
Oh. Ini.
Lion ng ostrich. Ayaw lumapit.
Daddy. Daddy. He's sleeping, right?
Yeah, sleeping. Sleeping lion.
Right? What are you just
It's a lion. It's a tiger.
What is that? What is that?
that?
It's a big one.
Big one. What's big one?
Big one turkey.
Big turkey?
Yeah.
It's a turkey?
Yeah.
No, it's a turkey.
What's next? Wait. O, diba sabi ko na 2023 siya naman.